Okay, here's how you remove a mirror in Fluent after you've added it. And just so you know, in Fluent, I'm using 4.0, and the Boolean visibility, I've set this instead of greater than or less than, which is a European keyboard shortcut. I've changed mine to shift quotes. So if you hit F, up here is Boolean visibility right here, and you can see I changed the shortcut to shift quote right there. You can see it right in that description. But if you don't want to change it, you can just always hit F, and then this is Boolean visibility. And right now there's no Booleans. So to remove a mirror, first we're going to add a mirror. So we're going to do F. We're going to create something here. I'm going to hit C and just make a circle because I like cylinders. Okay, now to create a mirror, we're going to click on the mirror, and then if you wanted another object to be the center of that mirror, you see down here it says set object reference. So if you had something over here, you want it to mirror that object, so it would be rotated or opposite of that origin, that object's origin, you would hit C. But I'm just going to keep it default, which is the object that it's on, and I'm going to hit Y, and I'm going to hit X. So I've got a mirror on the X, and I got a mirror on the Y, and just get out of that. So now you're going to go F to Boolean visibility, or you're going to hit whatever shortcut key up there you've got. Mine is shift quote, and now you can see the Booleans. So now that you can see them, you click on it. It might take a couple clicks to actually land on it. But once you select that Boolean, now you're going to hit F again, and you're going to go over here to Fluent Editor, and that's going to let you edit just like you've never left or quit the editing of this Fluent object. And now when you left click, it brings up all the options that it had when you created the object. You go to mirror, and we've added a Y and we've added an X mirror, and the way you get rid of it is you just click on it again. So whatever you did before, you're going to just do it again, and it's going to remove it. So I'm going to click this Y here, and it's going to remove this mirror over here. See how that removed it? And then I want to remove this X mirror, and then you click that, and then you click validate, and you're still in edit mode, so you click one more time and validate and quit, or right mouse button. And that is how you remove a mirror in Fluent.